Alright, YouTube, this is an update about the settling of the lowering springs. Got it just where I want it. Just where I want it. No problems with handling. Better handling, really. No alignment issues, except for just a slight camber in the back. But shoot, I look at how the Challengers sit naturally. It's not even that bad. Beautiful day out here. See, if you look at it at this angle, you can't even really tell camber of the back. Let's see here. Ever so slight. Get a shot by the back. Barely. Barely. Not enough to need the camber bushings anyway. But loving it, enjoying it. Should have did this a long time ago. Really, right after I replaced that front suspension, I should have went ahead and lowered it. I'm glad I went with the Pro kit and not the Sport line. Sport line would have been a little bit too low for me. These streets around here, got it just the way I want it. Well, it's a wrap for this one. Time for a little fun now. Yep, you know it. Sport. And let's go 2. All right, YouTube, that's a wrap for me. Going to have some fun.